welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'll be showing you a non-VIP outfit hack and dress to impress you need to try. Okay, for today's tutorial guys, I'm going to use the granny dress and dress to impress. So here I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to use the skirt and I'm going to change the toggle. I'm going to remove the fur. And then I'm going to choose, for example, toggle 1. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this section and then select this granny dress. And then I'm going to change skirt only. We can select skirt. And then we're going to color it black. Okay, I'm going to choose black here. Okay, and then for the second part, I'm going to color it white. Alright, and then we can go to this area and we can use this sleeves. Okay, and then color it black as well. And the last one, we're going to use a ribbon. Okay, it's right here. You can equip this ribbon and toggle it. Wait, color it black first, and then you can toggle it. Wait. Okay, you can toggle it 3. And sorry guys, you need to color it white. Okay, and it will create something like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this dress using granny dress and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.